Sam, I want to discuss the proper technique for inserting a subcutaneous cannula. It's a crucial skill for all nurses.
Absolutely, Mihira. I've seen you do it a few times, but I'd like to learn more.
First, ensure the patient is comfortable and informed about the procedure. Choose an appropriate site, usually the upper arm or the back of the hand. Clean the site with an antiseptic solution. Then, insert the cannula at a shallow angle, avoiding the vein.
How do I know if I've successfully inserted the cannula?
You should see a flash of blood in the hub. If you don't, gently reposition the cannula. Once you've secured the cannula, apply a dressing to secure it in place.
What are some common complications associated with subcutaneous cannula insertion, Mihira?
While complications are uncommon, they can include hematomas, infections, and phlebitis. It's important to monitor the insertion site for any signs of redness, swelling, or pain.
MIHIRA, to ensure a smooth and safe recovery, it's really important to gradually reintroduce movement and activity into your daily routine. We'll focus on what we call gradual mobility, which means slowly increasing how much you move and how far you walk each day. This helps your body regain strength and flexibility without putting undue strain on it. Along with that, we'll also work on some breathing exercises. These are incredibly beneficial for preventing potential complications like pneumonia by keeping your lungs clear and strong. It's a simple but very effective way to support your overall recovery. While you're recovering, it's crucial to avoid any heavy lifting or strenuous activities that could put stress on your healing body. This includes things like picking up heavy bags, moving furniture, or engaging in intense exercises that haven't been approved yet. Your body needs time to heal properly, and pushing it too hard too soon could set back your progress. MIHIRA, we have specific activity guidelines tailored just for you, and following these recommendations closely will play a huge part in ensuring a safe and successful recovery. We're here to guide you every step of the way, so please don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions about what you should or shouldn't be doing.